FiestaEnglish.com.
So, what are we talking about today? Dragons? Donald Trump? Chicken wings? Today, I want to talk about my life and something exciting. Something exciting that happened in my life. So listen and I'll tell you what happened or what's going to happen now. Okay? So me, Gregory, finally, for the first time in my life, for the first time ever, I finally got my passport. Yeah, woo! Do you know what a passport is? En español creo que es un pasaporte. In German or Russian or Korean, I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. But this is a passport. It looks different in different countries. So the USA passport is different from the Korean passport, and the Mexican passport is different from the Colombian passport. But they all do the same thing. A passport, it lets you travel internationally. Internationally. That means you can travel from country to country.
Let's go!
So for me, this is amazing because I live in the United States. I was born in the United States. And actually, I've never left the United States. I've been to different states, different cities in the United States, but I've never left the country. I've never gone international. Some people have been to 5 countries. Some people have been to 10 countries. Some people have been to 20 countries. Some people travel a lot. But me, in my life, well, I've never traveled outside of the country. But that's okay because now I have my passport and I can go anywhere that I want. I'm so excited. Can you guess where I want to go first? I'm already researching, I'm already planning my first trip. I know where I want to go, but I wonder, can you guess? I'll give you some hints. So number 1, it's definitely a country somewhere in Latin America. So I'm not going to Europe first, I'm not going to Australia. I definitely want to go somewhere in Latin America so that I can use my Spanish. I've been learning a lot of Spanish, I've been practicing, I've been listening to a lot of comprehensible input, so I want to use my Spanish finally. So it's somewhere in Latin America. Okay, hint number 2. This place, it has the most beautiful girls. The most beautiful girls in the world. I'm just kidding. Beauty is subjective, we can say. Meaning that one person has their opinion and their ideas and another person has different opinions and ideas. So it's okay to have your own opinions and ideas. But actually, I think the women from this country are pretty beautiful, I'll say. I'll just give you 3 choices. I'll give you 3 options, okay? It's either Mexico, Colombia, or Peru. Mexico, Colombia, or Peru. Where do you think I want to go? Can you guess? And the answer is Mexico. Oh yeah.
Celebremos juntos. Que viva la fiesta. Toda la noche.
So I'm very excited to go to Mexico. I'm super excited. My excitement is through the roof, we can say. It's through the roof. It's so high. I'm so excited. So yeah, It's happening. I can't wait. I wonder how many of you that are watching this video are from Latin America or from Mexico. I wonder. Maybe you'll see me there. I'm gonna have my camera because I'm definitely gonna record some things so y'all can see my first time in Mexico, my first time traveling. So I'll be out there recording, but I won't record the whole thing. Sometimes I'm just gonna have fun. So you might see me. If you do, say hi or hola, because we can talk Spanish or English. But I think that's all for now for this short video. I just wanted to talk to you, give you some good comprehensible input, tell you about my life and what's happening. And yeah, I'm really excited because I'm getting my first passport and I'm going to Mexico. It's gonna be so exciting, so good. You can follow my journey because surely I'll be posting videos. But I hope this video is helpful for you to listen to English, to learn some more English. And if you keep listening and keep receiving more comprehensible input, your English will improve. Okay, so as always, keep watching, keep listening, and your English will improve. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.